Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. Today is going to be just like a regular vlog, honestly. I don't have anything planned. This was a day off that I didn't expect to have off. So, yeah, we're just going to rock and roll here. Just kind of rip around the Stage 2 WRX and just have some fun today and catch up with some homies and whatnot. And yeah, this is gonna be a good one. I don't have a fire Christmas playlist yet, so the radio will do, I guess. All right, so here's a little update throughout my day here. I'm just on top of this parking garage, but besides the point, I was like, hey, you know what? I'll wash my car real quick. I'll just see what the hype is all about, and because you know, I usually go to self car washes when I have time or whatever, and usually I'll just wash it at my house, but which I will be doing from now on. But I followed all the necessary steps you need to take when washing your car at those self car wash places. But yeah, like I said, one by my house sucks, so I went to the one here in town, and it basically did the same thing but made it worse somehow. I was like, you know, this car is getting pretty dirty, I'll go ahead and clean it while I'm in town, because you know I'm doing other things. But yeah, no, I'll never be going to a self-wash ever again, and the automatic ones will just scratch my paint. So yeah, the wheels only look semi-clean because I had a rag in my trunk and I actually washed it off that way. But no, I didn't get any dirt off. And I followed all the rules. I did everything you said. No, but yeah, no, it's terrible. The car looks almost worse than what happened before I washed it. But you know, it smells good, so I guess that matters. But yeah, no, terrible. But yeah, I will be washing it at home when I get back, actually, because I don't want to look at my car like this. But I mean, yeah, no, dirt is still everywhere. Back is terrible. The exhaust at least still sounds good, so that's cool. But yeah, no, I will be doing what I need to do in town. Then we're gonna rip this Stage 2 WRX. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I just wanted to touch on this real quick. But yeah, no, it was not doing that again. So let's get my errands done for the day, and then let's go rip this thing and wash it properly. Oh, we have a drag light coming up. You know what that means on an on-ramp. The lights are on. Drag race. Audience, it's all about. I have a stage 2 WRX. Go. Alright, car back here, back in one place. It's 39 degrees and I'm going to wash my car because I'm crazy. Slight chance of rain, but I don't really care. I'm just still angry about the car wash place. So yeah, we're gonna wash this up. And I got Oscar, hey, over here. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna wash the car and yeah, I might rip it some more a little bit, but the car needs a little bit of a break from our previous endures. So yeah, I mean, it's still pretty clean in here, but I might touch it. Yeah, let's get to it. So as per usual, it gets dark when I'm finishing a video. No, I've been doing other things than just washing my car, but I did something that's a little controversial, but don't judge me here. Looks good from 10 feet away with the blindfold. But bam! I'm getting rid of these tires anyway, or I might use them for something else, but I wanted to see what it looks like. It looks great on camera, but yeah, I went full send and I just did the whole thing. I used tire chalk, and then to clean everything up, I just did WD-40 in a rag. But I mean, it looks good-ish. And with tire chalk, it'll just basically go away naturally, like just driving the car and whatnot. But I thought it would be interesting to just see what it looked like. At least one letter, or at least one word. In different scenarios, I like top and bottom lettering, but I mean, the way that it looks right now, I think it looks pretty good. I might just do a side to see what it looks like, but I might not. But along with washing the car and taking the car out on some rips today, this has basically been my afternoon, was just looking at this stuff. But for reference, I'll show you the other side. Nothing, but it's just interesting to look at. I've never really seen Tyler's in person before, so. But yeah, it looks like booty up front and personal. But I mean, in my opinion, it doesn't look bad. It kind of looks good with the yellow brakes. But yeah, I don't know. I might make a full video on how I did this, but that's another day. Alrighty, so once again, ending the video in the dark, outside in the cold. But yeah, I think that'll do it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I kind of had a free day, so I just kind of relaxed and just took the car out for a little bit, and really enjoyed my day. I hope I got enough footage of driving this beast, but it's not really much of a beast. But yeah, I mean, I tried to make a video as much as entertaining as possible, even though it doesn't really feel like it on my end. But anyways, I'm done rambling on. I appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart that watch these videos. I'd really want to go see where the channel goes, see where the car goes. I've been just thinking about everything that has been going on recently, and I would like to introduce another car to the channel. I don't know what yet. I don't know what I'm thinking about buying or whatnot, but I mean, this being a 2020, I'm really close to being able to pay it off. And once that's done, I'm gonna get a investment car, if you will, and just see where it goes. Might try new motorsport with it, so that'll be interesting as well. But I kind of ran some quick numbers in my head, and getting a project car wouldn't necessarily slow anything down as far as moving out and whatnot, if that sort of thing goes. But yeah, I think I just did some quick number crunching here. But I mean, as long as you guys keep watching videos and keep showing your love, I'll keep posting them, basically. I really want to make this YouTube thing kind of work out in a way, but yeah, we're still a long ways away. But yeah, we're gonna keep going on the WRX. We're gonna keep modifying it, not just for making videos, but for me, since it's my car, you know, whatnot. But yeah, I mean, interesting topics of the end of today's video, I must say. But I know I keep saying the same thing over and over and over again, but I promise stuff is coming. Hopefully big stuff is coming, but yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you watching today's video, watching all my videos. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and catch you guys in the next one. Later.